Even without weights, you're going to start feeling a bit of a burn. It's all about making it work. This is going to start burning quite a bit. You can definitely go back to half time and pick up our knee, but on an angle. Okay, so this is quite fast. Forward slightly, but you're not rounding, you're keeping your back flat. If it's getting too much for you, I know it's a slightly longer workout, and then reach and kick. Lean towards it, rounding your spine. 3, 2,